Hello, I'm Miss Davies and I have had the pleasure to teach your children in Class 6B this term. I know most of you already due to having a wonderful time with the children in Year 2, and now in Year 6 it is wonderful to see them develop, grow and flourish into Year 6 children. So we've put this video together so that I can explain what we have been learning due to a limited time when I phone you at the end of the week for their parents' evening. So first of all, I know that Year 6 is a very important year. Firstly, because it is their last year with us in Ysgol Gymraeg Casnewydd, and secondly, because it's their transition year to their secondary school. So we as teachers will be working, and pupils will be working closely with Ysgol Gyfun Gwent East Coed, so that they get to know the teachers and that they familiarise with the school itself. To help the children adjust back into their normal routine of being back at school, we've focused on their well-being. So every Monday morning and Friday afternoon, we work on filling our 5 wells of well-being, from doing physical activities to using the outdoors and being inquisitive, to a range of art activities. The children have had lots and lots and lots of fun. In mathematics, we have mainly consolidated the children's understanding of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division from previous years. Although this week we are looking at different types of data, they're making their own graphs and they're finding means for different rugby player heights. Our topic this term is Dyfal Donk a Dir y Garreg, which translates to, if at first you don't succeed, then try and try again. So in our innovation sessions, the children have been learning all about Everest, doing a lot of research, doing their own fact sheets about safety, mountain safety, asking questions to Richard Parks, who has completed the 737 challenge. At the moment, we're learning about adaptations and a variety of habitats. In English, we are looking at the story of Shackleton's journey to the Antarctic. They have written a recount, and in Welsh they've written a letter, and they've made their own report about Everest, which were very, very, very interesting to read. I look forward to speaking to you and discussing your child this week. Bye.